Hi friends, this is your problem set for lesson 20. So you should have just watched the video. As you can see, we are going back to money. So this week we are bringing in the dime, the penny, and the nickel. So you will see that there are different they're not actually different colored, but they're different sizes. Now if you paid attention to the video, you should know what the smallest one equals. Then these two are very similar in size, but take a look at what president is on the front, okay? If you listen to your learning video, you should be able to tell the difference between these two coins. So you're going to first write using the word box over here, you're going to write the name of the coin under each of those coins. Then for number 2, you're going to draw more pennies to show the value of each coin. So what coin is this? I'll give you a little hint. It starts with a D. How much is it worth? And then you're going to draw pennies to match that amount, okay? Just like they started off with a 1, so 1 penny, how many more pennies do you need to draw to make that equal this coin right here? Same thing for this coin, okay? This is that new coin. Again, I'll give you a hint, starts with an N. Draw as many pennies as you need to equal this coin. Then for number 3, Kim has 5 cents in her hand. You're going to cross off the hand that cannot be Kim's hand. So which one of these hands has 5 cents in their hand? You're going to cross off the one that does not have 5 cents. Then for the back, friends, I'm not going to have you do this one. You do not need to do number 4, so you can go ahead and cross that one off. Then down at the bottom, number 5, Emmy says she has more money than Kiana. Is she correct? So take a look at Emmy's money. How much money does she have? Take a look at Kiana's money. How much does she have? Is she correct? Does Emmy have more money than Kiana? Why or why not? Tell me on this line down here. Emmy is either circle correct or not correct because, and then tell me why she is or is not correct. That's your problem set. Then your exit ticket. You're going to match the pennies to the coin of the same value. So look at A, figure out how many pennies we have here, and then you're going to match it to either this coin, if this equals this coin, or you're going to match these coins to this coin if that is the equal amount, okay? So you're connecting this side to this side. Then for number 2, Ben has 10 cents. He already has 1 nickel in his hand, which is worth 5 cents. So you need to draw more coins to equal 10. So, which coin could you add, or coins could you add to make 10? There are 2 different ways you could make this, friends. Okay, once you are done, it goes on the back table. Then you are working on extra math. Once you are done with extra math, you are on Freckle for 10 minutes. Please make sure you set that timer.